The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and today I'm going to be talking about manslaughter. So in Illinois, there are a number of charges that fall under the umbrella of manslaughter, and they all depend on the specifics of the case. Because of this, it can be a little confusing for the average person to understand why someone might be charged with involuntary or voluntary manslaughter versus murder versus negligent homicide. To keep it simple, manslaughter typically occurs when one person's actions or failure of duty directly result in the death of another. The key is that there was no forethought or intention to harm in the action. For example, Bob gets in his car and drives to the grocery store. On the way, he glances down at his phone to read a text, causing him to drift into the other lane inside a construction zone where he strikes and kills a worker. Now, this particular example is going to be considered vehicular manslaughter. To prove manslaughter, three things must be true. Regardless of whether the person died because they were struck by a vehicle, punched by the other party, shot or died because a giant rack of wine bottles fell over and crushed another shopper because two people got into a fight and knocked the rack over, we've got to prove these three things, right, in any situation. The defendant should have known their actions would cause death or harm. 2, they showed a clear disregard for human life. And 3, the actions or behavior were the direct cause of death. There are some defenses against manslaughter, such as self-defense and defense of another person, but if you're convicted, you'll likely face years of jail time, probation, and hefty fines. If you have any questions about manslaughter, please give us a call, and as always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed that video. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, so if you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks again.